Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your phone and WhatsApp are updated so notification options exist. Once done, open Android settings, tap Apps, and select WhatsApp. You need to enable Allow Notifications at the top. This permits any channel to push alerts. Make sure you can see notification categories like Messages, Groups, and Calls. These are where you'll control behavior. Doing this first prevents missing toggles later and ensures that subsequent per-chat settings will actually take effect. Now you configure notification channels both in the app and per chat. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Notifications. Pick tones, vibration strength, pop-up behavior, and light color if available so you recognize messages fast. For important contacts, open the chat, tap the contact name, choose Custom Notifications, and enable a unique tone or vibration so they stand out. Also check Android, Do Not Disturb exceptions, and disable battery optimization. For WhatsApp, to prevent the system from finish by testing. Send yourself or ask a friend to send messages and calls, then confirm sound, banner, and lock screen appearance. If alerts don't appear, make sure app notifications remain enabled, Do Not Disturb isn't blocking WhatsApp, and battery optimization is excluded so background sync runs. Once you've adjusted settings, restart the phone to apply changes. If notifications still fail, update WhatsApp, then clear app cache. Clearing data is last resort because it resets chats unless you have a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.